The Xiaomi 80W Lift-Type Wireless Charging Stand Kit is an advanced and highly efficient charging solution designed to cater to the needs of modern smartphone users. Here's an overview of its features and benefits. Features: 1. 80W Super Fast Charging. White Bullet provides extremely rapid wireless charging, ensuring your devices are powered up quickly. 2. Wide compatibility. White Bullet compatible with Xiaomi Mi 14 Ultra, Xiaomi Mi 14 Pro, and other key compatible devices, making it versatile for various smartphones. 3. Double coil design. White Bullet allows charging in both vertical and horizontal orientations, ideal for watching videos or using the phone in portrait mode without interrupting the charging process. 4. Integrated cooling system. White Bullet equipped with a curved air duct and an ultra-quiet built-in fan to efficiently dissipate heat, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance during extended use. 5. Comprehensive safety features. White Bullet includes over-voltage, over-current, over-temperature, under-voltage, foreign object detection, and electrostatic protection to safeguard your device against potential risks. 6. User-friendly design. White Bullet comes with a 120W charger, a 6A cable, and easy-to-follow instructions for a hassle-free setup and use. Benefits: Bullet hassle-free charging. Simply place your device on the stand and let the advanced technology handle the rest, providing a seamless charging experience. Bullet enhanced versatility. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, the ability to charge in different orientations adds convenience and flexibility. Bullet optimal safety. Charge your device with peace of mind, knowing it's protected from various potential risks. Bullet quiet operation. The cooling system operates quietly, ensuring it doesn't disturb your environment. Where to buy? Bullet GeekWills Xiaomi 80W Lift-Type Wireless Charging Stand Kit at $99.90 at GeekWills. The Xiaomi 80W Lift-Type Wireless Charging Stand Kit combines speed, versatility, and safety, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their wireless charging experience. With its discounted price, now is a great time to invest in this state-of-the-art charging solution.